Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 8.4, question number 9. Three unbiased coins are tossed once. Find the probability of getting at most two tails or at least two heads. Here, three unbiased coins are tossed once. Therefore, the sample space is equal H, 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 T, 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 then H, T, 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 H, T, H, T, T, then T, H, 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 T, 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 H, and H, T, H, and T, H, T. Now, here number of sample space n of s equal 8. Now we'll do event of getting at most two tails. Let A is event of getting at most two tail. Two tails is here. Two tails means zero tail, one tail, and two tail. Zero tail is HH, and next is two tail is HTT, H, one tail is HTT, and two tail is HTT, and one tail is THH, HHT, TTH, and HTH, THT. Here only 3H is not there. Now only 3T is not there because at most two tails is here, this sample space. Now number of A equal 7. Therefore, the probability of A is number of A over number of sample space equal 7 over 8. Then next the event we let are at least two heads. Here let the event B is getting at least two heads. At least two heads means two head and three head. At least two heads means two head and three head. Three head here, two heads are here. Head, at least two head is HH, H, THH, two heads, and HHT also two heads, HTH here 4. Therefore, number of B is 4. Number of B is 4. Now, probability of B is number of B over number of sample space is 4 over 8. Now, we need to find or find the probability of getting at most two tails or at least two heads, or come here. Therefore, you have to find number of, now first A intersection B. Here A intersection B, here A is this and B is these things, or of common of this term is HH, THH, HHT, HTH. Here number of A intersection B is 4. Probability of A intersection B is number of A intersection B over number of sample space is 4 over 8. Now we'll get some space for this. Now we can get, now we know that probability of A union B is equal probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now probability of A union B is, we need probability of A is probability of A is 7 over 8 plus 4 over 8 probability of 8B minus probability of A intersection B is 4 over 8, which is equal 7 over 8. Therefore, we can write the result like probability of getting at most two tails or at least two heads. At most, therefore, probability of at most two tails at most two tails or at least two heads. At least two heads equal 7 over 8. Next question. Here the probability that a person will get an electrification contract is 3 over 5, and the probability that he will not get plumbing contract is 5 over 8. The probability of getting at least one contract is 5 over 7. What is the probability that he will get both? Here let P of A is the probability of the person will get electrification contract is 3 over 5, and P of B is equal 1 minus probability of not getting electric contract, that is getting plumbing contract. P of B is a probability of getting plumbing contract, which is equal 1 minus 5 over 8, which is equal 3 over 8. Now P of A union B is, which means getting electrification contract or getting plumbing contract is 5 over 7 is given, then at least the probability of getting at least one contract is 5 over 7. Therefore, P of A intersection B, which means getting both contract, he'll get the both is, that is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, A union B here. Therefore, we have P of A is 3 over 5, P of B is 3 over 8 minus 5 over 7 A union B. Now, here 280 is the LCM of 5, 8 and 7. So, 280, not 240, 280 is there. Then 280 divided by 5 is into 3 is 168. Then 280 divided by 8, that into 3 is 105 minus 280 divided by 7, that is 40. 40 into 5 is 200, which is equal addition of 168 plus 105 minus 200 is 73 over 280. Therefore, probability of getting both contract offer is equal 73 over 200. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.